Capitalize on free cooling to reduce energy use and costs with RenewAire's factory-installed Bypass Economizer option. The RenewAire Commercial Bypass Economizer option, previously just for indoor HE Series energy recovery ventilators, ERVs, is now available with our HE07, HE10, HE15, and HE20 rooftop units. With our Rooftop Bypass Economizer option installed, days with cool outdoor air conditions can provide free cooling for indoor spaces. Bypass is achieved by using two dampers: the exhaust damper, normally open, and the bypass damper, normally closed. When outdoor conditions are ideal, the exhaust damper closes while the bypass damper opens, allowing 100% of the return air to circumvent the core and exhaust out of the back of the ERV. The supply airstream continues through the ERV filter and enthalpic core without being tempered by the exhaust airstream. With the supply airstream already at ideal temperatures, the HVAC system doesn't need to condition it, thereby reducing energy consumption. Our factory-installed Bypass Economizer option features low-leakage motorized bypass and exhaust dampers, a bypass weather hood, choice of either dry bulb or enthalpic controls. In addition to lowering energy use and costs, the Bypass Economizer option has many benefits. It complies with state and local laws that require energy-saving equipment and saves contractors from time-consuming fieldwork compared to ERVs without integral bypass solutions. Our ERVs with the Bypass Economizer option are designed for commercial applications like hospitals, schools, warehouses, and many other types of facilities. To order your ERV with the Bypass Economizer option, visit cores.renewaire.com.